Tawagin natin ito poor man's samgyeopsal. It's good and this one is in debris in my mouth. I am half American, half British, half Filipino. That is not equal to 100. Hello guys! Hello guys, diba? Ngayon, meron tayo ng samgyeopsal Pinoy kung tawagin natin. So meron tayo ditong proben.
Okay.
Tapos meron tayong gulay.
Okay.
So yung gulay tinimpla ng balsa.
Wait lang po, hindi po ba gulay na rin po yung hawak nyo?
Gulay siya na ibabayad natin sa gulay, tapos kakainin lang natin
Gulay
yung
to gulay?
samgyeopsal.
Sobrang healthy naman po nan.
Ito.
Oo. Pero nung kinain mo, parang hindi ganun ka-healthy eh. Yung sarap, may tulo pa. Kasama po ba yung balasobasan dun sa pagkain ganyan? So ano pong pakiramdam?
Sarap! Kasi kung mahirap ka lang, bumili ka ng proben.
Hindi po. Wait lang. Kasi nagtaka ako eh. Kasi nung sinabi mong masarap, nakatingin ka sa lupa.
Pwede natin ulitin yan.
Sige po.
Meron ka lechugas,
Lechugas.
lagyan ng proben.
Okay.
So pwede ka rin maglagay ng balat.
Gano'n po karaming proben?
So kasya lang doon sa gulay syempre, no? Pwede ka rin maglagay ng balat, proben combo.
Eh yung keso po, pwede po
Paglagay
yung
ka ng keso.
Keso. Okay.
Okay, lagay
And
ka ng
then?
Keso. Lagay ka ng side dish.
Side dish?
Post yan kasi
Ay.
may mga consultancy na ako, di ba?
Triple
Friend ko
A.
pa yan, dan ako kinokontak niyan. So, lagyan natin ng konting side dish na ganyan.
Okay. Ano po ba? Wait lang po, ano pong laman ng side dish?
So yung side dish is made of mangoes and cucumber and I don't know. It's balsamic. So twist,
Okay.
jump.
Hindi naman po namin kayo nakita mag-job pero okay.
Down.
Yeah, okay. Ano lasa?
Tawagin natin ito poor man's samgyeopsal. Para kung wala ka talagang pera, pwede kang bumili ng 10 pisong samgyeopsal, bumili ka ng lechugas, na yun napapanis-panis na doon sa palengke.
Masarap?
Diba,
Masarap
yung
ba?
mga vlogger na chef. Ako vlogger.
Gaya mo si Jamie Oliver. Kunyari ko si Jamie Oliver. British. Yeah.
Sarap. Ayan ko na siya.
Si British. Masarap.
It's good and ganun pa rin yan eh. I don't know the British accent.
American na lang. American.
Yes, this is American.
Anthony Bourdain. No?
No, I don't. Yeah. The devil chef.
Oh,
And you can also put some sweets into your four-man samgyeopsal. Okay.
sweets. Okay.
Okay. So
Like
this is
pinipig.
yes. This is how it goes. Get one proben.
Okay.
Get one cheese.
One cheese.
Yeah, one piece of cheese.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I need to
Okay,
add
okay.
two pieces of cheese.
Ano naging
And
topics?
add the
Ano?
veggies. The veggies is
Ganun po ba talagang kasalaw?
and then you can add some sweets into your four-man samgyeopsal.
Sweets?
Yeah. Then you get twist,
Okay.
and drop.
Twist? Ano po yung twist? Okay. Sobrang kadiri, pero go. Sarap.
It's so good. You can really taste the balance of the sour balsamic vinegar, the salty proven tricolores, and this one so sweet, and of course the bitter taste of that veggie. Then add also in your mouth.
Why do you do that with your teeth?
Yes, it's
It's
clinging in my teeth.
because of the pinipig of the
No.
sweet. And then may nahulog
The
pa.
lettuce.
Kita ko yun, may nahulog.
Yeah, this one is in debris in my mouth.
Hindi pala
Let's put that in.
Okay.
Into
Okay.
perspective. This video is very informative. You have to drink.
Oh, yeah. Let's drink.
Myself some water.
Water? Bakit yung water mo British pero yung kanina
Because I am half American, half British, half Filipino. That is not equal to 100.